Hello student, today we take new chapter, that is third chapter, understanding quadrilateral. Okay, so what is mean by quadrilateral? Quadri means four and lateral means side. Quadri means four and side. So quadrilateral is a closed plane figure. It is a closed plane figure which having how many sides? Four sides is called quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral is a closed plane figure which having four sides is called quadrilateral. So in this chapter, how the quadrilaterals are formed, what are the quadrilaterals? So we understand the quadrilateral. It means understanding quadrilateral. Okay. Now we take what you mean by plane curve. Plane curve क्या होता है? जब आप किसी भी प्लेन सरफेस पर बिना पेन उठाए कोई कर्व निकालते, जैसा आई ड्रा हियर सर्कल. Suppose I draw here circle. Okay. This is a plane curve. This is also plane curve. बिकॉज मैंने पेन बिना उठाए ड्रॉ किया. दिस इज प्लेन कर्व, दिस इज प्लेन सिंपल कर्व. तो ऐसा आप बहुत सारे कर्व निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, सो ऑल दिस कर्व इज क्लोज, दिस आल्सो क्लोज, दिस इज आल्सो क्लोज, बट दिस कर्व इज ओपन. ओके, दिस कर्व इज ओपन because its end point are not joined together. So this is open curve, these are the closed curve. So triangle is also closed curve. Okay, hexagon is also closed curve. So all these about plane curve. Now we take what is mean by polygons. Now we discuss about polygons. How many parts? So here poly means many. Poly means many and gons means side. Okay, तो ऐसी फिगर जिसमें बहुत सारी साइड्स है, that is called polygon. But actual definition of polygon is the plane closed figure. The plane closed figure made up of only line segments. Made up of only line segments. So what is the definition of polygon? The plane closed figure which is made up of only line segments. If not so, then it is okay, is called as polygon. It's called as polygon. Okay, so what is meant by polygon? A plane closed figure. वो फिगर कैसे होनी चाहिए? प्लेन होनी चाहिए, प्लेन सरफेस पर ड्रा की हुई, क्लोज होनी चाहिए, और इट इज ओनली मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. वो कैसे बननी चाहिए? सिंपल, उसमें लाइन सेगमेंट होनी चाहिए. जैसे सपोज आई ड्रा हियर वन फिगर. Okay, this figure you observe, this is close and draw on the plane figure, that is blackboard, and all these are line segment. This is made up of line segment. So this is called polygon. This is called polygon. Okay, now such a type of polygon, first polygon is triangle. Why? Because it has three sides and it is the closed and plane figure and it is made up of line segments, so it is polygon. Second polygon is quadrilateral. Just I tell about the quadrilateral. क्योंकि इसमें कितनी साइड है? चार साइड है, जो कि चार लाइन सेगमेंट्स है, क्लोज है, प्लेन है. So it is also polygon. Hexagon. This is also polygon. But can we say about this figure? whether it is polygon or not. Okay, just I draw here. This is plane figure. This is closed figure, but it is not made up of line segment. It is not made up of line segment because see here, यहाँ पे दो लाइन सेगमेंट है लेकिन ये लाइन सेगमेंट है. This is a curve, so this is not polygon. This is not polygon. तो पॉलीगॉन कब बनेगा कोई भी फिगर? वो प्लेन होनी चाहिए, क्लोज होनी चाहिए और लाइन सेगमेंट से बनी होनी चाहिए. Then it is called polygon. Okay, now observe this star. Whether it is polygon or not. Yes, it is plane. It is closed. Okay, it is, you just see it is closed, but it is not closed because it is open. You just try to make by wire. You see it like open. So this is not a polygon. Okay. Now you suppose ये निकाल दो, ये स्टार निकाल. अब this is plane, this is closed, and this is made up of line segment, so it is called polygon. Okay, so this is the polygon. So what do you mean by polygon? Polygon is a figure which is plane, which is closed and made up of only line segment. Now circle. Circle is a plane, circle is a closed, but it is not a made up of line segment, so it is not polygon. It is not polygon. So polygon is plane closed figure made up of only line segment. Okay, so this is all about polygon. Now we take types of polygon. So there are 2 or 3 types. So we take here types of polygons. Types of polygon. So इससे पहले हम एक चीज और देखेंगे, डायगोनल्स. डायगोनल्स. ओके, डायगोनल देखने के पहले हम जैसे ये ब्लैक बोर्ड इज अ प्लेन फेस, प्लेन सरफेस. ओके, कोई भी प्लेन फिगर अगर आप निकालते हो, ड्रा करते हो, how many parts, okay, in that plane figure. अगर आप कोई भी प्लेन फिगर निकालते हैं तो उसको कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं? जैसे सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल ड्रा किया, तो ये फिगर जब मैंने इस प्लेन ब्लैक बोर्ड पर ड्रा किया तो इस प्लेन ब्लैक बोर्ड जो है इसके कितने पार्ट्स हुए? ओके, सो दिस फिगर डिवाइड दिस plane surface in 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? When we draw this figure on blackboard, this part of blackboard is called exterior part. Exterior part. Okay, तो बाहर का जो भाग है, okay, that is called exterior. अब उस blackboard का भाग इस triangle के अंदर आया है, means in the interior part. This is called interior part. और कुछ ऐसा भाग है ब्लैक बोर्ड का जो इस ट्रायंगल के लाइन सेगमेंट पर है, दैट इज ऑन द फिगर. ऑन द फिगर. सो देयर आर 3 parts of plane by this triangle part, triangle figure. First is exterior part, second is interior part, and third is on the figure. Okay, so when we draw any closed figure on plane surface, they are plane surface divided into 3 parts. First is exterior part, second is interior part, and third is on the figure. Okay, now we see what I mean by diagonals. So diagonal means when we connect any 2 non-consecutive vertices, any 2 non-consecutive vertices of the figure, then that line segment is called diagonal. Okay, just like see in quadrilateral, this is quadrilateral having 4 vertices A, B, C and D. The line segment which joining, which connecting any 2 non-consecutive vertices. Non-consecutive vertices. That line segment is called diagonal. Suppose I take here A, this point. So B point is the consecutive to A. C, D is also nearest to A, but non-consecutive vertex of A is C. So when we connect the line segment A to C, this line is called diagonal. Okay, so diagonal is a line segment which connect the two non-consecutive vertices is called diagonal. तो ये भी डायगोनल हो गया. ओके, तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल में कितने डायगोनल है? 2. नाउ वी टेक सपोज पेंटागन. So there are 5 vertices. So how many diagonals in pentagon? So A non-consecutive, B और E A के नजदीक है, consecutive बिल्कुल लग के, तो उसको छोड़ देना दूर. C है, C को जोड़ दिया हमने. ओके, उसके बाद D को जोड़ दिया. अब A को A से C और D नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव है. B पॉइंट देखिए, B का A और C नजदीक है. नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव कौन है? E और D. तो E को जोड़ दो और D को जोड़ दो. अब C B और D को छोड़ के A को ऑलरेडी जोड़ा है, E को जोड़ दो. फिर D E और C को छोड़ के A भी जोड़ा, B भी जोड़ा. फिर E A और D B और C को जोड़ दो, ऑलरेडी जोड़ा है. How many diagonals in pentagon? There are 5 diagonals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So type of figure we get. Now the number of diagonals in hexagon. How many diagonals in hexagon have? See here. Suppose this first point. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are the 3 diagonals from this point first. Now second point, nearest point को छोड़ दो. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 diagonals. Point के पास आओ, ये और ये छोड़ दो. 1, 2, 3 ऑलरेडी जोड़ा है, तो इसके 2 ही मिले डायगोनल. फिर चौथे पॉइंट को आओ, ये नजदीक छोड़ दो, इसको जोड़ो. 1, 2, ये जोड़ा है, तो सिंपल 1 मिला. हेलो स्टूडेंट, एक्स्ट्रा थर्ड चैप्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग 5 विद. ओके, so what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadri means 4 and lateral means जोड़ा है, इसको भी जोड़ा है. 4 and lateral means 7 भी जोड़ दिया है. So quadrilateral इससे कोई भी नहीं आए, तो प्लेन फिगर देखो ये नजदीक है, इसको जोड़ दिया, इसको भी जोड़ दिया. तो how we get 3 plus 1 9 number of diagonal are okay. क्या होगा कि किसी भी पॉलीगॉन पे mass of polygon. Okay, so there are polygon. Number 1 figure which having 4 sides based on diagonal. तो डायगोनल के आधार पर पॉलीगॉन के 2 टाइप्स होते हैं. तो जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक फिगर देखिए, सपोज दिस इज द क्वाड्रिलेटरल and another figure is like this. Now we take what you mean by plane curve. This is also quadrilateral, this is also quadrilateral, because this figure is also close, this is also close. This is plane, this is plane. This is made up of line segment, this is also made up of line segment. Means both are polygon. Okay, but this figure and this figure is somewhat different. So that is the types of polygon. Okay, now when we draw diagonals in this quadrilateral, अगर हम डायगोनल यहाँ पे निकालते तो क्या कितने डायगोनल मिलेंगे? 2 डायगोनल. यहाँ पे भी देखो, ये पॉइंट अगर लिया हमने, ये नजदीक है, ये भी नजदीक है, तो इसको जोड़ दो. ओके, फिर इस पॉइंट के ये और ये नजदीक है तो इसको जोड़ दो, फिर ये सब जोड़ दिया इसको छोड़ के और इसको, तो हमने सभी पॉइंट दिया। यहाँ पे भी कितने डायगोनल मिले? 2, यहाँ पे भी 2 मिले। अब आप एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करो, ये दोनों डायगोनल इस फिगर में, इस फिगर के इंटीरियर पार्ट में है, इंटीरियर पार्ट में है। और यहां पे आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो ये डायगोनल ये जो है ये बाहर है, इन एक्सटीरियर पार्ट, और एक डायगोनल इंटीरियर पार्ट में है। ओके, तो आपको ये डिफरेंस दिखा कि यहाँ पे दोनों डायगोनल्स इज इन इंटीरियर पार्ट एंड हियर वन डायगोनल इज इन एक्सटीरियर एंड वन इज इन इंटीरियर पार्ट। सो सिंपल, ओके, so it is very easy. So first part is convex polygon. So convex polygon मतलब क्या है कि पॉलीगॉन जिसमें सभी डायगोनल अगर इंटीरियर पार्ट में है, then that figure is called convex polygon. Can you understand? So polygon which having all diagonals in the interior part of figure, then it is called convex polygon. Okay, so all diagonals in the interior part of figure, then it is called convex polygon. Now second part is concave polygon. Also polygon, but can we say concave polygon? Concave polygon means one of the diagonal, जैसे यहाँ पे 2 है, इसमें से एक भी डायगोनल अगर एक्सटीरियर पार्ट में है, then that polygon is called concave. That polygon is called concave. So convex polygon is the polygon in which all diagonals present in interior part of the figure, then it is called convex polygon. And concave polygon means one of the diagonal, if it is in exterior part of the figure, then it is called concave polygon. So this is the convex polygon. Okay, and this is concave polygon. Concave means जिसका एक भी डायगोनल अगर बाहर है, that is called concave, and सभी डायगोनल अगर अंदर है, that is called convex. Okay, so these are the two types of polygon based on diagonals. डायगोनल अगर अंदर है, that is called convex polygon. सभी डायगोनल अंदर है तो convex. एक भी डायगोनल अगर बाहर है, then it is called concave polygon. Okay, suppose this is the example. तो इस स्टार जो है इसके कितने पार्ट्स हुए? Okay, so this figure divide this plane surface. Can you find out the type of polygon? This is polygon because it is closed, it is plane made up of line segment. But when we draw here one diagonal, this is in exterior part of the figure, so it is concave polygon. It is concave polygon. So both here, see the difference between these two figures. Both are quadrilateral, both are closed, both are plane, both are made up of line segment, and both having the 4 sides. But this is convex polygon, this is concave polygon, and both named as quadrilateral. Okay, because both having 4 sides. Now next type of polygon is based on angles and sides. So first part is regular polygon. Regular polygon, and second is irregular polygon. Now what do you mean by regular polygon? Regular polygon means the figure which having all angles are equal and all sides are equal, means equiangular and equilateral. That figure is called regular polygon. So when we take one example like sphere and D. Suppose this is sphere we know in square all angles are of 90 degree. Means all angles are equal. And we know the property of side also. All sides of the square is equal. All angles are equal and equal. It means this is the regular polygon. Okay, so regular polygon means what? The polygon in which all angles are equal, then it is called regular polygon. Okay, if so not, then it is called irregular polygon. Suppose this rectangle. This is rectangle. We know in rectangle all angles are equal, that is are of 90 degree. Okay, but all sides are equal or not? No, only this opposite side is equal and these opposite sides are equal. So it means all sides are not equal and all angles are equal, but all sides are not equal. So this is not regular polygon. This is irregular polygon. Okay, we take equilateral triangle. Suppose this is equilateral triangle, means all angles are of 60 degree and all are equal and all sides also equal. So it is regular polygon. It is regular polygon. Okay. Now if you consider right triangle, isosceles right triangle or any right triangle, then it is not regular polygon. It is irregular polygon. Then hexagon. If you write simple hexagon, then it is irregular. If you write regular hexagon means all angles are equal and all sides are equal. Then it is regular polygon. Okay. So in this part, we learn what is meant by polygon. Polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segment. How to draw the diagonals? Diagonals is a line segment which connect two non-consecutive vertices of the figure. That is called diagonal. Okay, in hexagon there are 9. In pentagon there are 5 diagonal. In quadrilateral there are 2 diagonal. In triangle there is no diagonal because there is no non-consecutive vertex of any vertices. Okay. Now we learn types of polygon, base down diagonal. When any polygon having the diagonal in the interior part, then it is called convex polygon. If one of the diagonal is in exterior part, then it is concave polygon. Now another we see the types that are base down angles and side. When all angles and all sides are equal, then it is regular polygon. If not so, then it is irregular polygon. Okay, this is all about polygons. Thank you.